What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. I want to thank every one of you guys, you right there. Thank you for watching this channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. OG subscribers, hit them thumbs up, and if you're new, click that subscribe down below. I thank you guys so much. Today we are about to do something totally different. We are about to add a hell of a changer, and I'm gonna tell you where to get the stuff from. So let's do it. Still gotta get this car clean, but before I get it started, as you guys see right there where those holes are, we're going to cover it up, and guess what, we're going to cover it with this right here. So this is basically, come to find out, the thing is called, it's called door protector molding trim. So basically you can pick these up. They come in carbon fiber, they come in different colors. They come in like chrome, it comes in carbon and black. I'm just gonna keep it simple. I get the black. So you can get this at O'Reilly's, or you can go to AutoZone. I got this from O'Reilly's. So basically, you see right here, it's very easy. It's 3M on one side. So we're gonna get this installed on the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the door line right there, cover that up, and go all the way down and cover that up, and then we're gonna go on the other side just to cover up how it looks right here. I don't like how that looks. It looks fucking retarded. It looked like my car got shot up by like 30,000 bullets. So we're gonna cover that up. Also, stay tuned. Next video, we're gonna be getting rid of these wheels. We're gonna make these wheels pop, and I'm not gonna tell you guys the colors. Just stay tuned for that. But like I said, we about to get this door taken care of, and I'm doing it by myself, so I don't have nobody record me. But I found a way I can just leave my phone or something, and we're gonna go quick. But check out the paint job. If you guys see the reflection by my head, the paint is amazing. I need to get the car clean, but this OEM color is sexy. Let's get this started. right, as you guys can see, basically did the stripes and they came out good. So both sides of the car looks good, no more dots, so that makes it look much better. We'll come over here, like I said, gotta restore this paint. So I'm gonna order the paint online, take care of that. And as we come over here, looks way better, way better. So yeah, finally done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is just a little demonstration on just how to put on the stripes and just make your car look more clean. So if you guys are dealing in a situation, if you guys are in a situation like I am with my car, how I'm missing the trim on the side of the doors, you guys can just go to AutoZone. They about like 16-15 bucks. I got a 12-foot roll one, and yeah, all you gotta do is just cut it up, get it to your right measurement, and just apply it on, put pressure on it. It's 3M, it's gonna hold on forever. And yeah, man, the car looks so freaking good. The lights, like I said in a previous video, we restored those so it looks good. So this car came out so great. I'm hecka happy. It's time I actually put love into this car. It looks good. So next thing you know, we gotta get the wheels taken care of. So I'm going to be changing the color of these wheels. We're going to restore these just like I did the 350Z. We're going to restore these wheels, and I have the perfect color that's just going to go right with everything. That's a hint. So I'm going to see who can find out what I'm about to do next with the wheels. But another thing we're about to do is the head mirrors, the side mirrors. I'm going to cover them up with carbon fiber. I have a lot of carbon fiber vinyl wrap that I use for the 350Z, how I did the doors and the side of the window and the bumper. So I'm going to wrap those up with carbon, and it's a nightmare with carbon, but we're going to make it happen. And other than that, I'm thinking about also vinyl wrapping the orange part. I might just leave it as that just because. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it as just because. But anyways, like I said, we're gonna take care of the wheels. Hopefully I can get it done tomorrow, because I don't have the proper stands, jack, whatever you want to call it, but we will figure it out. Thank you guys for tuning in for this video. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Yeah, this thing was like only 15 bucks, and you can make your car look more brand new than it ever did. So let's see right there. Looks so much better. Anyways, yeah, like and subscribe. We are out.